My name is Gabriel Galena Peter. My message number is 05 DKA 3F1134. So first one question 1A and left 5 main elements involved in municipal solid waste management. The first one is waste generation and storage. So this is the starting point of the whole waste management process. At the household level, people generate different types of waste every day. How they store it, whether they separate recyclables or just dump everything together, and it can really impact how easy or how it is to manage later. Second, collection. Once the waste is stored, the next challenge is collecting it. In Malaysia, the system sometimes isn't consistent, especially in less urban areas. Efficient and regular collection services are key to preventing illegal dumping or build-up of waste in open areas. Third is transportation. After collection, what waste is moved to treatment or disposal sites. Also, this step sounds simple, but it actually requires proper planning, routes, and vehicles to make sure the waste gets transported safely and without causing further environmental problems. The fourth one is treatment or processing. So this is where the recycling, composting, and other processes come in. Proper treatment can reduce the amount of waste that end up in landfill. Unfortunately, Malaysia is still catching up in this area due to limited infrastructure and low recycling rates. The last one is final disposal. The last resort is disposing of waste, often in landfill. The problem is that Malaysia still depends heavily on this method, so it is not sustainable in the long run, especially with space running out and the risk of pollution and health issue. So for question B, I am gonna pass it to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, Gabriel Gandhi. And now I will move to my part for the 5 challenges of 5R program in Malaysia. First, the lack of awareness. A lot of people still don't fully understand of 5R concept. The concept is next, insufficient recycling facility in many areas, especially rural ones. There are not enough recycling center or collection points. This makes it hard for people to practice recycling even if they want to. And for the third one is weak enforcement. For policies, the governments may have policies in place, but if they are not enforced properly, people don't convenience won't be obligation to follow them. This reduces the impact of any good initiative. Next is economy barrier. Recycling can be costly, and if the market demand for recycled product is low, business won't invest in the system. This discourages further development of 5R based on solutions. The last one is cultural habits. Many Malaysians are used to throw everything into one bin. Changing this behavior takes time, education, and continuous effort. It's not just about law, it's about culture. I will pass my presentation to Elvin Jada.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Enrico. Now I'm Elvin. I'm gonna explain about recommended the method of disposal waste for the hazardous waste. They have 3. For the first one is household waste. Household waste can include batteries, cleaners, pens, and electronics. The recommended disposal method is a segregation and collection at special recycling or hazardous waste collection centers. These facilities are equipped to safely handle and dispose of the materials, preventing harm to environment and health. The second one is clinical waste. They includes items like uses, syringes, gloves, and biological waste from hospital and clinics. The best disposal method is incineration at high temperature in medical waste incinerator, which kills pathogen and reduces the volume of the waste. The third one is industrial waste. Industrial waste varies greatly. Some might be chemical heavy, toxic, or flammable. Depending on the type, disposal method including chemical neutralization, secure landfilling, or separalysis treatment plants that comply with hazardous waste regulation. Okay, now I'm gonna pass to Johannes Lang. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Elvin Jadam. Now, now I will continue to my part. Justify five functions of the Department of Safety and Health, DOS, or known as DOSH, to control and monitor toxic waste. The first answer is regulation enforcement. DOS make sure that companies and industries follow the law regarding hazardous waste. They conduct audits and inspections to ensure safety protocols are in place. Second, risk assessment. They carry out assessment to identify potential hazards in workplaces that handle toxic waste. This helps prevent accident and exposure. And last one, the third, training and education. Those organizers training for workers and employers to understand the risk and proper handling of hazardous substances. Now I will pass to Ambang Stanilos.
Okay, thank you, Johannes. I'm going to explain the rest of five functions of the Department of Safety and Health, DOS, to control and monitor toxic waste. Okay, incident investigation. If there's an incident involving toxic waste, DOS investigates the cause and recommends preventive measures for the future. Okay, for the last one, policy development. They are also responsible for developing and updating safety policies related to toxic waste based on current needs and international standards. Okay, for the conclusion, effective waste management in Malaysia requires proper handling at every stage, from generation to final disposal. However, challenges like poor infrastructure and low recycling rates remain. The 5R program faces issues such as low awareness, weak, weak enforcement, and cultural habits. Proper hazardous waste disposal and strong oversight by DOSH are essential to protect health and the environment. Improving systems, enforcing laws, and educating the public are key to a cleaner, more sustainable future. That's all from us. Thank you.